So at the moment, my favorite deck that I'm loving working with so much is the Unfolding Path Tarot. This is my new favorite. I love this deck. I love, love, love this deck. Um, this deck has, I've been using it quite a bit. I've been using it with my readings with people, my individual readings that I'm doing one-on-one. I've been using it at the Live Magic Q&A. But the artwork is outstanding. It's beautiful. It's modern. It's diverse. It has all kinds of ages, sizes, skin tones, ethnicities, everything showing up. I just love it. I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful deck, and the imagery is nice and rich. This is the thing that I look for. Lots of detail, lots of richness in the imagery, lots of things that I can home in on in terms of details, and I love this deck. Another thing I look for in a deck, how do the cards feel? You can have a beautiful deck, but if those cards don't have a nice spring to them, if they don't slide easily over one another, then as a reader, it might be a beautiful deck to collect, but as a reader, it's going to drive you crazy every time you use it. So this deck has everything I love. The cards are nice and springy. They're thick, but they're just the right thickness. They slide easily over one another. They have a great satin finish. The imagery is nice and rich and detailed, and the different people, different abilities. I just love seeing it. So it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous deck to work with. I love working with it. So it's a new deck to me. It just came out, I think, several months ago, maybe within the last year. And I'm thrilled to be working with it. I think it's just a really quality deck.